In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to rate a Udemy course. Whether you've just finished an enriching course or you're simply eager to share your experience with others, rating a course on Udemy is a straightforward process that provides valuable feedback to instructors and helps future students make informed decisions. Let's dive into the steps you need to follow to leave a rating on a Udemy course. First things first, you'll need to access the Udemy website. Once there, look for the login button located at the top right corner of the page. Clicking on this will begin your journey into providing feedback for the course you've experienced. After you've clicked on login, you're taken to the sign-in page. Here you have a few options to log in, but let's make it simple by using the Google sign-in option. This option is represented by the Google icon. By clicking on it, you streamline your login process, especially if you're already signed into your Google account in the same browser. Upon selecting the Google icon, a window pops up asking you to choose your Google account. This is particularly handy if you manage multiple Google accounts. Select the account you use to sign up for Udemy or the one you prefer to use now. After successfully logging in, it's time to navigate to your course. Hover over your profile icon or your name at the top right corner, and in the drop-down menu you'll see the My Learning option. Click on it to view all the courses you're enrolled in or have access to. In your My Learning area, scroll through or search for the course you wish to rate. Once you find the course, click on it to enter the course dashboard. It's from here that you'll be able to rate the course. Inside the course dashboard, look for the option to leave a rating. This usually appears as a prompt or button titled Leave a Rating or similar, and it's often located prominently within the course interface, either at the top or as a pop-up. Upon clicking the Leave a Rating option, you're presented with the opportunity to select a rating for the course. Ratings are typically represented by stars, where 1 star might mean the course did not meet your expectations at all, and 5 stars mean it exceeded them significantly. Choose the number of stars that best reflects your experience with the course, but the journey doesn't end with just stars. After selecting your star rating, take a moment to write a review. This step is crucial as it gives you the chance to share more detailed feedback about what you loved, what could be improved, and any other insights you think would be helpful for future students and the instructor. Whether it's praising the clarity of instruction, the depth of the course content, or providing constructive criticism, your written review is invaluable. Once you've selected your stars and written your review, simply submit it and voila, you've successfully rated a Udemy course. By doing so, not only have you contributed to the community by sharing your experience, but you've also helped instructors to understand how they can improve and adapt their courses for future learners. In closing, remember that your feedback is not just a token of appreciation for the instructor, it's a beacon for future students navigating the vast seas of Udemy's course offerings. By taking a few moments to leave a rating and review, you're playing an integral part in the learning journey of countless others. Thank you for watching today's tutorial on how to rate a Udemy course. Your contribution makes a difference in the online learning community. Remember to like, share and subscribe for more helpful guides and insights. Happy learning and see you in the next video.